Good morning. Let's make today's lunch box. I'm making a crispy cauliflower. Take corn flour, chili powder, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and water in a bowl. Make it into a thin batter. Add the cauliflower pieces and mix well. Now take some panko breadcrumbs in a bowl and drop in the cauliflower. Coat it really well. You could bake this cauliflower. I am deep frying it. So deep fry the cauliflower for 3 to 5 minutes till it is nice and golden brown. Our popcorn cauliflower is done. Now let's make a quick lemon rice. Heat oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, dry red chili, curry leaves, asafoetida, turmeric powder, lemon juice and salt. Mix in rice and your lemon rice is done. Now let's pack the lunchbox. I made some curd rice and Mahal loves garlic pickle, so I'm adding a little garlic pickle inside, and cucumber is in her snacks box. I hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning. Let's make vegetable fried rice. Boil rice, prepare your vegetables, heat oil in a wok, add in garlic and spring onion white part, saute for few minutes, add in carrot and capsicum, mix well, season with salt and sugar, add in the cooked basmati rice, toss well, add in soya sauce and a little bit vinegar, mix well. Now add in some white pepper powder and spring onion greens. That's it, your vegetable fried rice is done. For toasted paneer, it's paneer, lemon juice, Kashmiri chili powder, amchur powder, cumin powder and mix well. Cook it in a little bit oil till it is golden brown, and that's it, your toasted paneer is done. For snacks box, I am using small size cookie cutters to make cute shapes out of watermelon. Now let's pack the lunch box. It's fried rice and toasted paneer. I put a little bit tomato ketchup in a little sauce bottle and cucumber. For snacks box, it is watermelon. So this is what I packed in my kids lunch box today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning. Let's pack today's lunch box. Let's make a green peas curry. Heat oil, add in cumin seeds, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 2 crushed tomatoes. Add in turmeric powder, chili powder, garam masala powder, mix well. Now add in frozen peas. I'm using frozen peas and mix it for 2 minutes. Add salt and coconut milk. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. That's it. Your simple green peas curry is done. Now let's make banana roast. This is Nendram Palam, Kerala banana. I'm cooking it in ghee and cook till it is nicely caramelized. This time I'm using palm sugar. So sprinkle the palm sugar over the banana and cook till it is the sugar is nicely coated. Meanwhile I made some chapatis. So let's pack the lunchbox. It's chapati, green peas curry, cucumber and banana roast in snacks box. This is what I packed in my kids lunchbox today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning. Let's pack today's lunch box. Let's make a simple white sauce pasta. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter. Add in 1 chopped carrot, capsicum and some green peas. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Season with salt and saute for another 2 minutes. Remove it to a bowl. Now let's make white sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Saute for 2 minutes. Add in oregano, red chili flakes and 2 cups of cold milk. Mix well and cook till the sauce thickens. Now add in the sauteed vegetables, season with salt and white pepper powder. You could use black pepper powder also. Now add in the cooked pasta, mix well, and your white sauce pasta is done. Now let's pack the lunch box. So in this container I'm using white sauce pasta, garlic roll, carrot, and for snacks box it is tapioca chips. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.